In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, hit Files. Now tap on Audio at the top, use one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, just click on it to attach it. To add a video one, select the same plus and hit Gallery, or tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Either way, when you find your video, click on it. And if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!